position myself into put and a call, so I'm playing both sides of the market based on the amount of volatility that I see coming through on the this week, basically. So on the 23rd on the 1 month, we have a pretty big move. A lot of the time, what'll happen is the adjustment card will indicate some sort of oversold territory that we have a big move out of, so like a short squeeze or just like big move out of oversold, or maybe to fill a previous gap down. Hey, deduct. Um, and so right now what we're seeing, we had this first low. This may actually be the push out of the low right here, pushing the upper end of a range higher, matter of factly. So we come out of this low, we should see another low, followed by a big move higher, and then a sharp drop before noon. And then we should have a big move after that sharp drop, a big move to the upside to reach for a day's high. And then I think we'll probably have another day's high at the end of the day. So what I'm looking to do is at that second low, I'm looking to get into an probably a long position or close a short position. Depends on how far down we go. But I'm looking to play both sides of the market right now. Hey, AV. Hey, L. Appreciate it, Deduct. Thank you. Every little bit counts. So right now what we're seeing, I don't think that this is, it's only 10 o'clock, right? I don't think that this is the success card. I think what we're seeing is the first low. We come out of the first low here. So the sequence of events probably pushed a little bit. And we should see this, pushing the upper end of a range higher, a brief peak that's easily missed, and then a decline through multiple support levels into another low, either the same low or a lower one. But main trade, if let's say I wasn't in anything, I didn't have any positions right now, what I would be looking to do is get into a short position around this high that we have around maybe somewhere between 12 and 130-ish. I'd open up a partial short position. And then at the end of the day, if we find ourselves around the same high or the same price level at the high, I would complete that short position. If we don't find ourselves at the high position towards the end of the day, I would just stick with the short position that I accumulated at the beginning of the day. Hey, Nature's Well. Go. Hermes, how did you get up here? I didn't put you on the desk, did I? I don't even remember putting you on the desk. What are you doing here? You're a good boy. You know that? You know you're a good boy? You're such a good boy, you know. Oh, thank you. I love you too. Mwah. You're the best. You're the best, Hermes. Can I have my camera back now? Algo. You want to see if it has a new all-time high or even a new high in 2024? Let's see about all-time high. I wonder, do I have anything for algo? I feel like I might have something for algo. No, but it's on the list. Oh, wait, here, right here. Nice. Interesting. Yeah, it looks like there's actually a really big move in algo in 2024 to the upside. Probably what my 10-year says. I do so many readings, I don't even remember some of the readings. Like, I wasn't sure if I did any algo readings, but I've clearly done some algo readings, and it looks like we reach for a distant resistance. So that should be a significant move to like a resistance that'll really sound out on a multi-year scale there in 2024. But that's before we have a big move to the downside in 2025 into a low, like a multi-year low. Do we see a new all-time high in algo in the year 2024? I got a yes. So that means we should see over we should see over 280 in 2024. Let me make sure that's the case. Yeah, I got Claire Kinetic, yes. I got a Claire Kinetic, yes. Claire Kinetics is very, very reliable. So my guides basically like throw a message in my face. So I'm gonna indicate that on this 10 here. Here. All right. I'll look out for that 1 year, L. Appreciate it. Deduct, when you say something like you said multi-day congruence, 23rd, 24th, 25th, 26th, market bearish, market drop consecutively, I don't know what you're implying by that. Are you saying, like, I'd have to look, but is that are you saying what I said happened, or are you saying that something different happened? Be clear about that. I'm not sure what you're saying. Hey, AV, well, NVDA dropped this week below 390. Matter of fact, I think this might actually be the success card right here, because we're successfully turning resistance into support right here, which we should probably see. Well, it's only 10 o'clock though. We should see a drop here. I would expect a drop here. NVIDIA. Well, I'm surprised I don't have a 2023 NVIDIA completed. Wow, surprised by that. Would have expected that one to be done. I'm working on the 2024 now. All right, so the question was, sorry, well, it dropped below 390 this week. Whew, that's a big drop. That's right there. A little inconclusive. Let me try that one more time. Does it meet 390 this week? It looks like it at least meets 390. It's hard to determine if it's going below 390, but it looks like it at least meets 390. Hey, it was luck. What's the pleasant surprise? Do we expect more upside for Bitcoin before it falls? Guys, this is a different time of day. We don't normally do these here, like in the morning. We're going to start doing them. Probably by next week, these are going to be like for pay morning sessions. So you could either be a member, subscribing on YouTube to the premium supporter level, or it'll be like pay per question type of stuff, probably starting next week. We'll see. But in the meantime, guys, since it's a new time of day, we have the opportunity to pick up some new subscribers. If everybody was to go and share this live stream with somebody they think it would help right now, it would really impact the channel. I'm pretty confident it would be very beneficial if everybody shared this link with somebody right now while we're still live. Appreciation to everybody, guys. Bitcoin. I'm gonna change the interval. How do I change the interval? Alright, well, I guess we'll deal with that. There we go, this is better. Do I expect more upside in Bitcoin? Probably not, based on the Sorrow card. We'll probably cap off somewhere around these price levels right here, the 30 to 31. And what we should see is 3 pokes through the same price level and then a sharp drop. So we'll see, like, after the second poke, it'll be pretty easy to determine roughly where that price level is, because you'll have 2 kind of pokes through it. The third one will make it really clear, and then there should be a sharp drop off of that. And then it looks like that probably takes us into, like, a notable trough tomorrow, and then there's a big move to the upside out of that trough, probably to a new high for the month. Oh, awesome, Nature. Well, appreciate it. Appreciate you. Yeah, it looks like a pretty good opportunity, Al. Oh, appreciate it, Deduct. So when you want to like just give me credit for something that I said, make sure in the comment that you specify that it's exactly what I said, because I'll copy and paste that comment and add it to our website, and it'll really help out. But if the way that comment's written right now, if anybody read it, they wouldn't know if you were saying that I said that or if I didn't say that. You know what I'm saying? Make sense? Hey, Karthikeyan. AMZ Apple earnings view, please. 26th October is earnings date. If you have the Apple subscription or you have early access, you should see the the December Apple Public come out probably today on the website, and then the private as well. The public, I say the public and the private because they're both coming out early on the website, but the public one's only the first week. So if you don't have the actual subscription for Apple, you'll be able to see the first week of December. If you got the full subscription, you'll be able to see the full month of December as early as tonight. All right, so Apple. And then the other one was Amazon. Oh, so earnings for Apple on the 26th. What's the earnings results for Apple? This coming earnings. Emperor card. Slightly exceeding expectations. That's Apple. And so the result, the chart behavior as a result of that. significant move to the upside unexpectedly. That's Apple. Yeah, and that stands out. So we probably have a trough in the morning, and then there's a big move to the upside. And then for Amazon, do you know what time of day the earnings come out? Looks like a similar thing going on there from a trough to a peak. Earnings results for Amazon. Coming earnings results. The death card. Ooh, that doesn't feel so good. Nothing for earnings. I would say that's a miss. The death card's going to be a miss. Let's see if I can get more info on that. Yeah, nothing for earnings. It doesn't want to tell me earnings, but it's a miss, and the overall chart reaction, the chart behavior as a result. Oh, notable move to the upside. So that's what it looks like. We have a trough in the morning on the 26th, and we move significantly higher. Hey, Proof. FET? Is that a coin? FET? I don't know that one. So FET for the remainder of the week. Important price level highlighted, sort of like either it's a key resistance or we move sideways on Monday. It's one of the two. Significant decline on Tuesday, increasing with momentum moving forward in time. An important support level on a multi-day scale highlighted on Wednesday. Thursday, more decline, offering opportunity to open up a long position. And then Friday, more decline. So that decline offering opportunity to open up a long position. Either we have a move to the upside at the end of the day on Thursday, or that decline continues into Friday, and on Friday is an opportunity to open up the long. That's FET. GMT. That one. GMT today out of a decline, big move from the bottom of a range to the top of a range. Tuesday, more we have sideways rotation establishing support, and then a big move higher on Wednesday. Off of a peak, there's a significant decline standing out on a multi-day. Friday, off of a crest, we decline to and through support, break through another support, do a U-shaped reversal below it, and then come back and reuse it as support. And then on Friday, unicursal. Multiple failed attempts to break through key resistance, and the unicursal implies that we probably go much lower on Monday the following week. That's GMT coin. You're welcome, AV. Thank you. Appreciate you. Does NVDA fill the gap to the downside in 2023? Thank you. Um, so what she's asking about is what Sluck is asking about is this gap right here. If you don't know much about technical analysis, when you see a gap like this, it's pretty much standard. The expectation, anyways, is that we fill this gap at some point. So there's plenty of people that are technical traders that are waiting for this gap to be filled. And does it get filled in 2023? The full card is often a gap down, but I don't see that. Does NVIDIA fill that gap from roughly 375 to 312 in the year 2023? Yes or no? I gotta know. You're welcome, Nature's Well. You can call me Adam. Stronghold token SHX, will it have a significant rise in 2024? What's the overall trend direction of SHX in 2024? Abundance card. So this one looks like it makes a new high in 2024. The Stronghold token make a new high in 2024, yes or no? Oh, no, it doesn't. Does it reach its all-time high in 2024? Unicursal. Probably one that I would stay away from. I got Unicursal, I got Devil card, I got Sorrow card. Yeah. So I think it's probably a lower price level at the end of the year. So we have lows here, but I think probably this ace of discs is indicating the beginning of a decline, taking us into a lowest low. And I think the lowest low is probably at the end of the year, towards the very end of the month of December. We've also got the appearance of the Princess of Discs, the Ace of Discs. I wonder, do we have the Abundance card? And the Abundance card, boom. And why is that relevant? Because on the 1 year, the low significator is the Princess of Discs and the Abundance card. And you can see Abundance card here, right here at the end of the month. Princess of Discs as a low significator. Very, very likely it's the lowest low for the years at the very end of the year. Okay, so I do think that this low right here, this move out of it was the Aeon card. We pushed the upper end of a range higher, right? So that was the Aeon card coming out of the low. And we should see this move back into a low. Somewhere between 11 and between 10 and 12, but closer to the 11 o'clock hour. Hey, I was our Revelation production. Welcome. Digibyte coin for 2025. This one doesn't really stand out as to me as very bullish or very bearish. It's kind of like mixed Digibyte. And by that, being that it's mixed, it's not very like decisive in either direction. There's probably better ones to put your money in where like it's very decisively bullish, if that makes sense. Yeah, the end of the day today is going to be long. It was luck for sure. It's not going to be bearish at the end of the day here. It turns bullish midday. Oh, appreciate it, L. All right, I'm going to roll, guys. But okay, so that was that second trough. And now we see this big move to the upside. I would probably start looking for, like, when we hit a new high here midday. This might be a little early, but like midday, what I'm looking for is a new high, probably closer to 1 o'clock, and I'm going to put on a partial short. I'll probably close out of the long that I opened, and then I'll put on the remainder of that short at the end of the day if we revisit the high. If not, I'll just leave it with the short that I opened midday, and I'm looking to close that tomorrow morning, either at the beginning of the day or here between 2 and 3 o'clock, depending on how the beginning of the day goes. And that's SPY, guys. I'll be back on at 3 o'clock. And again, guys, there's November readings coming out. If you've got early access, which you get here on our services, SO Metapos, or click here to subscribe. $29 a month, $249 for the year. If you have early access, you'll have access to the December. All of the December 2023 readings are completed for the SPY, and we've got Apple coming out today for December, and the remainder of the December readings coming out throughout the week. So we're super ahead. If you got early access, you'll be able to see those. But most importantly, guys, make sure there's a lot of money being made based on the information from this channel recently. Make sure to follow that rule of karma. You do so here on the resources tab of our website. We're the channel here. We've got the Zelle link up now. We also have some affiliates here, guys. EasySwap. If you're interested in, if you have like some altcoin that you want to swap for another altcoin, you can do it very easily through the application EasySwap. They're one of our affiliates. So if you do it through the link on our website, we actually get a little commission for it. It's another way to support the channel. But that's the most important thing, guys. Follow the rule of karma. Make sure to spend that 90% left over out of love. As long as you follow those rules, you're an angel investor of the channel. The universe is going to send it back to you tenfold for following through on those rules. And guys, it's really, really important to make sure that you follow through on the rule of karma every time you profit. Don't put it off to like down the road when you intend to do it. When you profit, the rule is to take some of that and put it into the rule of karma. And if you don't follow through on that, the universe is going to get tiresome of throwing money at you very, very fast. It's not a threat, guys. It's a warning, so you guys don't do that. Like, you can make a lot of money. Just make sure to follow through on that rule of karma. And with that said, thank you so much.